This brand is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing, which is a part of Paloma Group. The units are sold through authorized dealers in the USA, but their guarantee is not as good as some of the other brands. They use louvered panel construction for condenser coil protection, which provides superior protection from hail or lawnmower debris. They have a powder coat paint finish and rust-resistant screws to keep the units looking nice for years to come. The FRP14AZ models are premium heat pumps with a 2-stage compressor for efficient and quiet operation, but they are still relatively loud when compared to other brands. Their guarantee is not as good as other brands as it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The Endeavor line FRP18AZ heat pumps are ultimate heat pumps that are EcoNet enabled so that they can communicate with the other parts of the home's heating and cooling system to maximize efficiency and comfort. They are much quieter than the FRP14AZ units, and they are backed by a pretty good warranty that includes unit replacement in the event of compressor failure. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy basic category. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.